Manifest, they're mounting.
Catch. Ito si Magal,
Ready.
Come,
First
bro.
defensive, ready, they might engage.
Don't see it, okay? Don't see it.
Who's late? Nico.
Hold the
village
na
sa loob.
Before
ATV inside, I think we need to dive if ayaw mo mapacify.
Sige lang. Patay mo muna to. Patayin nyo muna si ano. Okay na,
don't
food only. Kill Mackles and food only, okay? Kill Mackles and food only. Come southeast. Kill Mackles. Okay, ready to help. Come, walk southeast now. My Zerg, walk southeast now. Zerg, walk southeast now. We're help ally southeast.
Yo.
Listen to me. Come south. Follow me. Come south.
Kinakot ng mais, ha?
Come south. Wala pa kayo. Look southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Big. Okay, spread them brawl. Come
Ready,
northeast.
first defensive up
Spread them
front.
brawl. Ready in the
They're
choke. They're gonna turn on the choke. Careful
Guard
the choke,
those on the
okay?
choke.
CC them.
First rotation demon now, please. Just first rotation demons.
Brawl. Come northeast. Chase them northeast. Uphill, okay? Uphill. They're gonna look on the choke. Keep coming.
Guard runs on this choke.
They're gonna turn. They're looking
dropping
inside
guard
me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. On me. Okay, full brawl now. Brawl.
Second rotation demons.
I didn't call for OC, okay? Just
Deeper, please.
just brawl.
Locust
Full
deepers.
brawl. Brawl them.
Watch east side, please.
Kamis. Kill them all. Just chase them all. Have you pacified the Terry? Okay, we got Ale. Okay, Ale got Terry. Good.
pakisabi? Meeting stone.
Mantap. Don't overchase.
May isa pang blobs na north.
Meeting stone.
Come north. Chasing. Mantap. Regroup to me. Amon ping. Ready. Food check OC. Come to me. Follow me. Just follow me. Amon ping. Regroup to me. Where's Meeting Stone? What Meeting Stone doing? Regroup to me.
Dismounting dito sa pinto.
Okay, come southeast. On ping.
Ready, first rotation.
Going northwest,
Wait,
going northwest.
Kiting, what's going on?
Kiting.
Nag-dismount sila pero fight.
Okay, food check OC.
Ready,
Nasa northwest sila ng choke on the ping right now. Northwest of the
Okay.
ping.
Mounting sila.
Can you catch, bro? Can you catch?
Di makamonte yung iba.
Sige, maraming dismounted, brother.
Go. Chase. Mount up if you're late. Chase.
Rise, Mountain Rise.
Kill them all. Nasaan nyo iba sa Northwest? Kami pang dismounted sa Northwest. They're passing through the choke. They're gonna pass through the
Running
choke.
northwest sila. Running northwest most of them.
Chase.
Yeah, you can probably kill a lot of them still dismounted.
They're dismounting, okay? Some of them are dismounting, okay?
Not just dismount.
Madam. Hindi ko mahabol.
Kill. Bilis ng BOB. Diyos ko, nice life curse, bro. Hold him. Nag-zone ako, diba? Ang galing.
Naka-dismount pa rin yung...
Dead is.
Okay, mount up, come tundra. We go riverbed now. Pa rin ako kuha yung riverbed.
Okay, finally. Crisis Steelers. While. Okay.
Come northeast. Everybody regroup tundra. Riverbed, Jel, riverbed. We go riverbed.
Go Tundra na, West. Go Tundra.
Parang di ko mana yung guard doon ko kanina. Yung ano.
May all the villains na chariot dito.
Nilagay ko sa
Saan? Kami chase them.
Ito, chariot. All the villains chariot.
Malapit sa HQ HQ nila yung southwest.
Chariot pa rin to.
Wala ka dyan May aba din sa...
Live ping, live pinging.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, can you guys, hindi tayo nagka-ganking. Can you guys not waste time?
Notice.
Aray ko.
Kakazone lang ng meeting.
Chariot
Actually,
talaga.
andito pa yung meeting stone na Zul. Sa ping ko, sa northeast.
Sige lang. I think we're gonna invade Peninsula Castle. We take Peninsula Castle for content. We hold sync. We're gonna hold sync later. Just our back post.
Nice, fine. It should be fine.
Les, can I double check?
Nag-OC sila sa southwest ng Dale yung meeting stone. Pero still mount.
No, it doesn't do anything. It won't.
Papunta na yung Integra dito. If you fight open, it's okay.
You can fight, you have a lot of rollers.
Yeah, I know.
Meeting stone has one part.
38 DA tayo.
Asa kaya, Gel? Saan? Yo, come southwest. May bomb southwest. Okay lang kaya, Gel? Wait, chill.
Pinatay niyo yung chariot? Ano? Sayang talaga yung
Tingnan
chariot.
kaya dyan.
2-8 yun.
Pinatay yata nila.
Diyan, nasan kayo magpingahan?
Command ba ako?
Nasa
And then
Crusader
the
yung
THR
riverbed.
is like 80 mil.
Okay na. We're not gonna go there. We're gonna invade Castle. We're gonna invade Castle. We'll go Peninsula Castle. Nasaan yung 7K? Nasa Peninsula o nasa
Ballista.
Southeast Dale.
Southeast Dale?
Ito sila.
Dale, Southeast. We go Peninsula now.
May certain number ng Zerg nila na nasa harapan mo. Na iwan to. Ito, sa ping.
Kaya
Live
i-catch
pings.
to?
Sumilip
Ay,
sila.
if the tanks are on fast mount, you can catch this. You cannot. You can.
Nagank yung basi. Hello? Sino nagank? Tell me!
Kasi naman, ba't kasi kayo nagga-ganking para kayong tanga?
Level 18 DA yan ah.
Sige lang. Magre-regroup yan. Hinihintay na yung Coup de Gras. Hinahanap na yung Coup de Gras. Try, let's go. It's okay. Fight them. I don't care. Yeah, seryoso ba? Nagank yung base natin? Legit?
Oh no.
Kaya hindi ka mapus pa rin.
Magkakasama tayo lahat.
Sa bomb squad din, sa bomb
Yan,
squad.
naiwan yung bombs ko nila dyan sa Rise. Tapos nag-AFK daw bigla.
Ayun, hindi lang.
This is the right way, bro.
Sino ba namatay?
Giga. Na DC at.
Come let us. What the fuck?
Hindi, nang-rage bait lang yan.
Putangin ng mga to.
Yes, come na.
Nag-dismount sa meeting stone sa Tela. Nag-dismount sa Stone sa Tela.
Level 31 dito, level 31 dito. Eto, level 31.
Okay, pinapula.
Nandito na sila.
Etiquette is here. They're catching. Yo,
Okay,
ignore yung
come No, we're in Fel. Gel, we're in Fel. We're fighting Fel now. We're gonna fight Fel. Dismount on me. Put it. Check OC. Fight.
Ping auto. Kanya ping.
Okay. Come southeast.
Autos on the ping, boys. Autos on the ping.
Walk.
Rollers stay mounted.
Come south. Chase. Why they mounting up? Chase them. Why they mounting
They're trying to mount now.
Come southeast.
Nag-commit na dismount.
3, 2, 1 on the choke. Okay, now spread. They're looking on the choke. Careful on the choke. Ready. Wait. Chilling. Def inside. One more engage. Okay, one more engage.
Please on this choke. Demon on this choke,
5 seconds.
please.
Wait. My tanks can
Bombs
we
out
walk in?
west of
My tanks can we walk in?
Yung meeting stone isang bombs ko nila from southwest. Bomb from southwest.
Yo, look on me. On me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Quick. Spread. Oh, why are we? Come back to the choke. Ready, def on the choke. Guys, why you guys can't walk up? Ready to tap the choke. Ready potion.
Guys, walk in, guys.
Chilling. Wait. My tanks walk up. Come southwest. Take southwest. Come southwest. Walk up southwest. Southwest on me.
Yo, building squad sa dying southwest.
3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. It's big.
Ay, di mo na.
Keep walking southwest, brawl. Yo,
Di mo na.
come southwest. Keep coming southwest. Keep coming
Please,
southwest.
may
I need heals.
Heal, heal, heal.
Come northeast now. Turn northeast.
thank you.
Turn northeast. Spread the my northeast. Spread the my northeast. Come northeast. Keep walking northeast. Ready that southwest. Okay, ready that southwest. It's okay. Keep coming northeast.
Demon.
Wait. Inside me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside me. It's inside me. Good.
I killed her.
Okay, now spread the
Southwest
brawl.
one.
Watch west side, watch west side.
Careful southwest. Keep walking northeast. Keep walking northeast.
They're looking
Keep
west
walking
side.
northeast. Brawl northeast and southwest. Brawl northeast and southwest. Come south.
Solo
Left
ba doon?
south.
Solo ba
Come
doon?
south. Follow me. They're running. Come south.
Bomb nyo to. Katabi mo.
4, 3, 2, 1 on the bomb squad. Catch the bomb squad. Kill the bomb squad. Kill.
On the dam na sila. Full running. Go chase, boys.
Like so many people die on the choke. How many?
You guys got bomb on the choke. No one was looking at the bomb.
Ito, Bridal to. South. Southwest.
Finish everything inside.
Yung Bridal sa ping sa southwest 7373. Can you catch?
Catch.
Did you guys
Go march
get
now. We go wet
the
grave march.
I did.
Guys, I just want to ask you, what's the deep confrontation? Why is no one watching the choke?
lang yung easy town.
I called out bomb squad
Tama.
southwest.
more on easy?
Kasi malayo.
Wake up, boys.
And I tell you guys to walk in and spread. You can use southwest, northeast, guys. You don't need to clamp up on the choke. Keep going back to the choke. I feel like a lot of people from party 2,
Ang daming
wala kapatid sa party 1,
naiwan dun sa
isa lang. Wait. Hold here.
Dalawa sa party 3.
Okay.
Alas ka na yan, no?
Chilling.
Screenshot na ng TS.
You should.
Going sila peninsula. Auto.
Mag-set ba ako
Okay.
sa ano?
Bibong penin.
Meron na ba sa ano? TS attendance.
Sabi niyo saan yung sync kapag may nagbabomba.
I'm not sure.
Double check ko. Pag sasend ko na dun.
Come southeast.
Just if there's
We go
none,
penin.
just send it in
Dito na rin tayo naman.
chat
Trail
page.
natin.
Mag-northwest na lang auto para yung regears mo, pre. Makasunod.
Northwest, okay. Come northwest instead.
Northwest, northeast.
Okay, boss.
For
Alayan
those who are
na- alayan
coming
na
back,
ikutin mo dito.
go MR, okay? Go MR, patting, take in V.
I think keep catching everybody we see.
Boys, for the people who died, especially for the brawlers, you guys did not have to dismount along with Otto. You dismounted directly at enemy backline and I never even went back for heals. I think I did once. Yeah, I did once, but that's it.
But wait, I'm kinda disappointed. Di natin nakuha yung roots, bro. I'm quite disappointed we didn't get the roots, bro. Makakapag-build ng wallet.
It's fine. We just don't
Rest,
sit for
Alliance is in edge, okay? Okay, we're going with them. I think we're gonna 3-way fight in castle with 7 in... Wait, chill northeast of Dale.
Rest is decent. Their brawlers are okay. So just play it normally, boys. No matter who's your enemy, even if they're good, even if they're bad, play it normally. Play it as you would fighting versus Summers. Okay?
Don't disrespect.
Guys, for my brawlers, stay mounted up, okay? Unless you know the enemy has engaged already, that's when you mount down. Chill, hold northeast, don't zone. Hold northeast. I need one tank zone in. Nandito si Jekyll. What the fuck?
Ako na, nag-zone na ako sa edge.
Ganking to mga to.
Edge,
Kalaban
31
to
to
lahat
50
na yung
edge.
SID
31 to
Alliance
50.
auto.
Alin?
Yung SID Alliance, iba, gankers lahat yan. Mga bomb
Okay.
ng gank. So, mga regears, wag tanga.
Gusto yung gawing regular ganker na lang tong Seed Alliance. Meeting stone capping, 7k is trying to cap, edge OP. Pero nag-disperse na.
Yo, this
Nakap na
club
rin
is
nila.
coming up to you, southwest side.
Blob southwest side Kipo. On the way sa atin.
Southwest, south,
I know,
southwest.
look, I see.
Baka
Don't worry, I see.
mag-dismount.
Naka-NV ang mga yan. Feel ko naka-NV ang mga yan. 7k yan.
Careful. Spread.
Where are we going now?
We're going
Okay,
to go into
big fight Penin,
Peninsula.
big fight Penin.
Stay
Come,
at
come
Dale.
notice.
Stay at
7k,
Dale.
7k rest in Penin. And Lies.
Cluster guys.
Careful northeast ng edge siya.
Careful,
Dismounted down the choke yung one shot I think. May pike, may longbow and cheats.
Kita ko.
Just be careful. They're
Hold
also on brawl.
southeast. Ito pa, meron pang
And
one shot
one
dito. Hold southeast on me. Hold me.
Oto yung cluster prayo.
Cluster Prayo. Oh, wait. Wait. Bakit ko in-mark sarili ka?
1-1, let's go.
Party 1, 1-1. Party 2. Sige lang. Don't fight. Need one more person in my party, by the way. Cue na daw yung Penin, Party 2, 1, Party 2, 1-2, Party 3, 1-3, Bomb Squad, 1-4. Okay? Tapos, Fake Info, 1-5, Cluster Q, 1-5. Fake Info, Easy Company. 1-5, Cluster. 1-5, Cluster.
Yung party 2, yung mga battle mounts, please put it 1-1. Party 2, thank you. Baka pumasok kayo sa mapala kayong chariot.
Come plateau.
For those
Yung
people
party
that
4
know,
auto ng cluster.
Party 4, 1-6, Party 4, 1-6. Ano ba ito? May Party 4 tayo. Kasi dito ako na sa party, kung gusto mo.
Teka, hindi ko pa maano yung cluster potik. Hello?
Hold.
Kapag yung cluster, nawawala.
Nawawala. Kaya,
Hindi, pag nagzo-zone yan, pag hindi pa kompleto yung party mo sa zone, magbabag yan. Magbabag talaga yan.
Everybody hold plateau.
Matagal
Ace,
na bag yan, ayaw
Ano
pang
yung,
ayusin.
ano yung sa party 2, sorry?
Party 2,
1-2.
1-2. Party 3, 1-3. Bomb Squad, 1-4.
Ito, CDB nasa Penin. Okay, I think
Saka
level
1-1 lang sa party
Nice,
ko yung
man.
dalawang battle mount. Sige po.
CDB is clap heavy pero may brawl, ha?
CL,
CDB is
tsaka
clap
yung-
heavy pero may brawl.
Blob northeast.
Okay, it's okay. We're gonna keep fighting here. It's okay. Come. Focus content. After that, we go castle in 15 minutes.
Iikasan
Ano
lang
yung
sa
black
kasi ano
notice
yung...
ko? I need one person in my party. I need one more person in my party. If you're club DPS, ka my party na. King of Liberty. Oh.
Wings of Liberty.
18. Oh. Rest.
Brawl, yan yung brawl heavy na
Saan
ano
kayo
nila.
galing? Ay, SC pala. Kamesi.
sila.
Gusto mo i-catch ko tong Wings of Liberty?
Wag. We go on na. We go bog. Much bigger content.
Bog?
Penin.
Okay.
Baka matira yung mga may iwan dito Full prol yan
May isa pang Blob northwest.
It's okay. I think it's... They're level 30.
Level-
Wait. They're...
Level 19 in the zone, they have level 19.
I think that's different, Zerk. It's okay, Q in.
Save lang, si Yearning, AFK.
Yearning,
AFK.
Yearning.
Naglalagak ka, teleport ka.
Pingon.
May isa ka akong
Okay,
laging
okay.
behind na support kaya nagpiping.
Oh, Regot, disconnect.
We're in plateau, I'm in Penin. Okay, we're in
Need
plateau.
one party
Mababa
man
to zone in,
guys,
mababa to
need
zone
one
in.
party man.
Thank you.
Zone in if you can. Zone in if you can. If you can't.
May spawn sa likod nyo
It's okay. If you can't, okay, I chill here. Oh, nag-aalisan sila lahat nang nag-zone in tayo. Ano to? Bading. Okay. Nasa kayo, Jal. Come northeast. Everybody here? Everybody zone in? Nasaan yung
Holding by
Nasaan
the
yung
hideout, They're holding by the hideout.
Smash na muna. Wait, they fighting.
They're fighting open.
Ready up front.
Scout.
I need ready up
Okay,
front.
ready.
They dismounted on the ping, dismounted on my ping. Southeast side CDB. Etong east side ng ping is
Come
Wings of Liberty.
northeast. 60 northeast. East. Give me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me. Spread, come northeast, spread and come northeast. Wait, chilling. Hold here, hold. Kill the
Nakikita ka sa two different zergs I think.
Hold. They're looking now. Bomb squad.
Watch north, watch north,
Okay,
watch north,
come
please.
northeast. Wait, chilling.
First rotation, be ready.
Come northeast. CC northeast
Second
for me.
rotation
Can we
ready,
CC
second
northeast?
rotation.
Can we CC northeast?
Watch east side,
Can we
east
CC
side.
northeast? Can we CC east? Can we CC east? Look east side. American on get. Okay. Wait. East side on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Kill. Nice. Wipe the bomb squad. Good. Chilling.
They're still kiting They're still straight kiting.
Chilling. Keep running them.
Mas mo,
Run them down.
Isa
Run them down.
Liberty.
Keep coming east. Mount up if you're late.
Sising mo yan,
Keep coming east.
They're running.
Ready that.
Southwest
Wait,
looking.
what's that? Ready that south. Come south.
Full running sila. I think they're gonna try to mount
Brought out. Come east. Yo, CC this.
They're trying to mount.
Chase.
Na-dismantle looter nila sa ping, na-dismantle looter nila sa ping.
On me. Kill this on me. Brawl. Kill. Ready in the choke. Wait. Careful on the choke. Wait.
Guard runs in the choke.
Wala silang engage auto, pwede mo i-push.
Walk.
Okay yung choke, ano, CC yan.
Full CC. Walk in.
shit.
Full CC. 5 seconds. Keep coming northeast. Come northeast. Look northeast on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill everything inside. Good. Keep coming northeast.
Guarders by the shield,
Keep
dive
coming
by the
northeast.
crown, please. Guarders by the crown.
Okay, walk. If you're late, brawlers, mount up. Brawl them all on the north side. They're trying to run to the north side. Brawl them all.
Full run ng northeast
Chariot running, gold chariot dito.
Keep sending it.
Chase. Ito din.
Let's go
May
running.
sa akin. Wait, na-trap. May base sa on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill everything inside.
Bastion.
Paka-dismount yung behemoth, please.
Saan yung bihi? Yan, nasan yung bihi? Tsaka
Ito.
chase everything.
Kill,
In combat na yung behemoth.
Chase
Uy,
yung
Louie.
behemoth. Mount up.
Overweight.
Ito yung behemoth, Bian.
Kill the behemoth. Crash talk, kill them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Good.
Nabasag.
What's up south?
Yan yung CDB, pre.
I-digit to?
CDB. Nakaspread sila.
Ayun, nag-split lahat ng Zerg. Regroup on ping.
Full brawl tong Snow Forest.
Yung northeast doon, Otto.
Wait, regroup on ping.
Puto yung doon. Oh,
Nag-engage pa yung ng physical.
Chill. Regroup on ping. Wait, what's the blob northwest? No. What's the blob northwest?
Yan yung 7k.
Eric, ano, 7K
Ruo is
7K?
level 30. Auto. Full brawl to ah. Ruo,
Okay.
Snow Forest.
Come northeast.
Etiquette yung nasa northwest pala.
7k na
7K,
sa Terry.
7.
Then Castle is Snow Forest, level 30. Full brawl, okay?
Come northeast muna. We hide.
I don't think you wanna fight.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? Whoa. Ba't nandito sila? Oh, you want to isolate the fight? Okay, we can do 1v1 here. Okay, come.
I-rescue.
Can we catch this? Can we catch rescue station? Natunaw agad yung bomb squad nila para sa atin. Good job, DPS.
Bago. May 8.4 na yung hero killer.
May
Yung
Can
hero
you
killer.
hero killer daw, RJ.
8.4 na.
Nanoob trap sila, tol. What they doing? Dismounted yung isa sa nila. What the hell? Okay. They're gonna drag us to their regroup map, bro.
They're trying to wait, Vanka.
Ilan DA nila? Wait, how many DA?
Papunta sa atin.
Gagi, Otto. Ako, full chase
Yung
tayo
blob na yan,
kanina.
okay.
Sila
Yung
ata.
combat kid mo yung main zerg nila sa northeast. Tapos nag-turn pala kayo sa south.
May blob pa, may isa pang blob pa.
Yung blob na yan, wag nyo pansinin, fake info yan. Kapag hinit tayo, patayin nyo agad lahat ng late nila. Wait, ready to go back to Ronald Vensing. I think we fight MA next.
Saan na yung hero killer na yun?
Or
Infinity
you want to
Blade siya
siege Bog?
na
I think we
8.4.
can siege Bog, no?
May kasama
Yeah,
tayo.
it's easier to siege bog, bro.
Yeah, I think come Bog. We go Bog first.
Hey, hindi. MA yan, pre. MA.
Ayun nga. Pero mas okay yan. Wait, fighting in Penin? Who fighting?
Yung 7k and 7k tsaka Snow
Oh, yeah,
Forest.
yun na pre. Masyado tayong malaki.
Level 30 yung Snow Forest, pero I'd rather not.
Yeah. May range bomb ako.
One
Okay.
tap ka, tapos yung mga tanga sa surg mo.
Blood Lord.
Namatayan na tayo
Naka-range.
sa...
Collector. You, easy company. You guys on range. You guys on range, right? You guys on
Level
range.
31 to yung sila ngayon sa
Rest.
ano.
Zone?
Yung rescue
Sila
station.
tungkol sa northwest Sila tungkol sa northwest, diba? Come Satis. Wait, come Satis.
Check ko to. Saan kayo? Penin?
I know. Yung OC.
Trap lips.
Clips. Copy. Plateau, there's a blob ah.
They full zone na.
Killing. Papunta sila dito. Nag-full zone sila dito. Wait.
Going
Full
southeast,
zone na
yung
northwest
plateau.
march. Nag-march na yung...
Okay. Rigger map nila yan. Come southwest. We're gonna lose there. Come southwest.
Double OC is double
We're
OC.
about to lose OC. Just double OC, guys.
Saan na tayo papunta?
OC.
Hello.
Come southwest. I think we go bug.
Okay.
Loot.
Papunta ako to.
Gago, dalawang behemoth na loot natin ngayon, guys. Good shit.
Ba't ka nagsa-southwest?
We go back to We go back. Wait, what?
Or if you're going both,
Nakatayo ito eh. Come
dito.
northeast.
Northeast?
Northwest.
Ah,
Yeah.
sorry.
I mean northwest, what the fuck?
Nababaliw ka na auto chill.
Magpapasko na.
Tayo. Isa na.
Meron pa pumunta tayong bug. Sinasabi ko lang, tol. Guys, I need one food. I need half a pork food, guys. Napa-double food ako kanina. What the fuck?
Nagmukbang.
It's okay. Let them be. Let lies be. It's okay.
No,
Lies be.
it happened before.
I mean, let them be. Hindi naman nakamount up tayo lahat.
I mean, just
Tayo sa
try
map,
Bob mo na. Wag mo na kayo mag-isip
Try,
ng
wag
ano.
muna.
Focus
Wag muna
Bob.
kayo masyadong
We have a
mag-isip.
fight on Bob.
Careful, I don't get got.
Yeah, easy company. Wait.
There's Meerkat Scout here, okay, in Marsh.
Okay. I'm coming. We go wet grave bug. Yeah. You guys on range bomb, right? You guys on range bomb, or? Okay. We siege castle.
Wala akong hammer.
It's fine. Supports kayo.
Yeah. No, we're fighting Meerkat assemble.
Guys, the guilds you're fighting now is stronger. Wake the fuck up.
We need you guys to be on point here. I'll start calling.
Okay, rescue station.
from
Let's
your
third party.
calling.
This to ready set you. Okay.
Nagugas ako.
Ka nag-third party.
Gago
but
kasi
station
Blue,
ito 2v1
si
natin,
Otto
hindi.
may kasalanan kung bakit ako namatay.
Northeast. Nakasa sa labas sila ng castle, tol. Naglalaban sila sa labas. Oh! Open world again! Come towards the backline. Come
Long tail.
towards the backline. Yeah, I know.
Auto, give time for your battle mounts. Chilling.
I know. I'm chilling. I'm scouting. I'm just scouting. Oh, wait. They dismounted.
Wala, they're dismounted.
Dude, this one is facing.
Come northwest. Dismount on me. Tera ba nila to?
Yes,
Rescue station, yeah.
Walk. Okay, come back northwest. Chill, come back northwest. May choke ba dito sa north? Wala, di ba? Okay, come west. Come northwest. Drag them northwest.
Pwede ka dumiretso na ka.
May
Keep walking. Just walk. Okay, just walk. I know. I see the blob. Just walk.
Keep walking,
Come northeast.
With
Just
the
walk.
crown.
Keep walking. Double OC if you have it.
now,
Double
all
OC if you have it.
supports.
Okay.
Double
Keep
OC.
walking.
Double OC.
Yes.
I need the bedrock watch behind,
Southeast,
okay?
come southeast, come southeast.
At all times, my
Q is
bedrock watch
active now,
behind.
boy.
Outkeeper, stay up front,
MA
may
Marsh.
bedrock watch
MA
behind.
Marsh.
Scary.
I know.
Ay,
Cluster
towards
Q,
kasi.
okay? Cluster Q.
Keep watching behind.
Nemo
my
Nemo
bedrock.
is on my ping, mounted up pa.
Okay. Wait, I'm set.
Yung main circ ng,
Bakit?
nag-copy pa lang, ibonk nyo na.
Okay, go. Bonk the gate northeast, bonk the gate northeast. Come northeast, bonk the gate,
Watch
bonk
over
the gate.
the
Nemo
wall,
dismounted dito sa
care
ping.
over the wall.
Sa southwest.
Okay.
I need one battle scout, please. Ba't may maharlika dito, boy? May nakosi na maha dito, ah. Careful. And
Si Rota, si Rota.
Nemo.
Shaper,
Shaper,
mga kipo.
Shaper stacking, you hear? Shaper stacking south. Careful south. Good. Bonk the gate. We're getting queued out. Go.
Yeah.
Go swale, okay? Go swale. We're getting queued out. Go swale. Don't go march. Bonk. Full smash.
Nemo
Full smash. I want to defend the castle. Full smash.
Southwest mo dismounted, Nemo. Southwest mo.
Okay, careful
One screen now.
Ready.
Come southwest.
Literally on top of the ping.
Okay, come southwest.
They're at the bend down. They're gonna turn, they're looking to turn
Okay,
the bend.
ready, turn.
They're still kiting now.
4, 3, 2, 1, kill the tanks. I lagged. Kill the tank. Kill all the tanks inside. Broad the tanks inside. Okay, come back northwest.
Going back inside.
Going inside castle, sir. Going inside castle.
Come back. Bonk the gate. Come back. Careful southeast.
Clear sa wall.
I know. Meerkat where?
Meerkat, southwest.
Okay,
Going inside castle.
On the ping.
Come northeast. It's okay.
Can you help me?
I know. I'm playing northeast. We all
Sure.
play northeast. All my BS play northeast. Okay, play northeast. Meerkat to your
Okay.
southwest. Chilling. Yo, look southwest to me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Fuck. Okay, come back northeast. They're looking deep. Depth.
Demons,
Good.
nice.
Come out
Ready,
northeast.
second rotation.
Come out northeast first. Come out. Where's Meerkat?
Heal, please, heal.
Where's Meerkat?
Nasa loob na ng castle.
Okay, chilling. Okay, wait. We're gonna shallow the tanks, okay?
Meerkat northwest of you. Outside.
Careful.
Outside.
Come out northeast. Come southeast. Chilling.
Watch up front,
Spread.
looking.
I know, come northwest. Spread and walk in. On me, northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Okay, good. Spread northeast. Def inside. Brawl now. Heavy brawl. Keep kiting northeast wall, brawl. Keep kiting northeast and brawl. Come northwest now. Find me. Come west. Follow me. Def. Push shot. On me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incoming counter.
I'm dead.
Spread.
I think we're gonna get back there.
Spread in you.
Ready, east side.
Spread and brawl.
Watch defensives for east side, please.
Spread and brawl. We chilling. I know. Spread and brawl. They're near northeast side. Careful. Come northwest. Get a bit northwest. Stabilize northwest. We're gonna shallow the tanks, okay? We're gonna shallow the tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Okay, def. Get out. I know, get out. Spread and get out.